an episode where he was talking to someone in there. What a sick where he sat, but I always remember that series, the episode where Greengrass nicks the train and Nick Berry runs right up there across and Collars in there. Greengrass. And obviously you'll all remember this bit here if you're a Harry Potter fan. You first see Hagrid getting off the train. This is where it was, right here where I'm standing, where Daniel Radcliffe, Hermione Granger, Ronald, bloody Draco all got off here. Good thing is if you stay here for till dead late, you basically got the place to yourself. Like when I first came here, this platform was absolutely full of people. This is where Nick Berry was stood waving the train for Greengrass to stop. This way got him, right here. But yeah, I watched an episode last week and Venturous was sat in here talking to a lady getting on a train right about where I am. He was sat. If the camera would have been there. But yeah, the lady was there, Venturous was about there. At least I can say I've sat where Venturous has. Well, if you were sat here many years ago, you would have seen Daniel Radcliffe get off the train on the way to Hogwarts. You would have seen all the sergeants here. Nick Bellamy, Venturous, Mike Bradley, Nicholson, Sergeant Merton, every one of them are filmed on here. And yeah, it looks exactly the same. Nothing's changed. Apart from there's a cafe, obviously, but yeah, that's where Venturous was sat right there.